afternoon and welcome. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're back here in Las Vegas. And as we make our way over to the food court area over here at Bally's here in Las Vegas, be sure to click that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. It loves it. And also be sure to turn on the notifications if you haven't done so already. And give it a nice thumbs up, of course, as well. You ready for today's food adventure? Let's go. So to make your way over here, you're gonna park at the structure here at Bally's, and then you're gonna make your way down the escalator this way. So now, we just have to find it. And these shops are so super cool. Golden puffs and blue ribbon fried chicken. Oh, and ramen. Oh, that sounds delicious. And candy, of course. Oh, I love candy. Who doesn't love candy? But we're looking for hot dogs today with pizza. I'm so distracted. Alright, so there's a few of these corridors to go down, and I found it here all the way to the right. There's Dirt Dog. Man, I'm so excited to dig into this. Check this out. Well, it comes in a brown paper bag. Those are the Oreos. Fried Oreos with their specially made horchata whipped cream. Check that out in just a minute here. Oh, look at that. It's a chorizo chili dog with onion, cilantro, bacon. Oh man, I can't wait to get into this, guys. And this is what we're dealing with. Oh, would you take a look at that? This is definitely a fork and knife operation. That looks amazing. But also, let's take a look at these deep fried Oreos with horchata whipped cream. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go. Unwrap the fork and knife here. This looks amazing. There's a cross section there. Let's give this a try. So right off the bat, that's a good quality dog right there. Lots of flavor. The bun is nice and soft and kind of chewy like. Great bacon bits, cilantro, so much flavor. It's really awesome. That's delicious. That is definitely a winner. That's delicious. So good. And next we're gonna dive into these guys, the fried Oreos with the horchata whipped cream. Let's pop open this whippy cream here. Okay, I'm just gonna dig right in and get up in here. Let's check this out. Oh man. Doesn't get any better than that. It's like better than fair food because it's hot, delicious, and crispy, and made to order. And this horchata whipped cream, oh, well, you check that out. It's got a spice of like the cinnamon in there. You can definitely taste the cinnamon from the horchata. Oh, that's so good. Dude, that is the best. So my final thoughts here at Dirt Dogs in Las Vegas. It's delicious. Give it a try, guys, if you're down here for a quick little bite. This was under $20 for everything with tax and tip. So the dog itself was $9.25. The fried Oreos $4 and $2 for water with a little simple tip under $20. amazing. Definitely a thumbs up, guys. Give it a try if you're here in Las Vegas, or the original one in LA, which I haven't been to yet. So hey guys, I'm LJ with today's food adventure stop here in Las Vegas in front of Bally's at the food court here. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.